This is RPAH staff standing in solidarity with Lady Cilento Children's Hospital in Brisbane to support letting refugee children stay in Australia and not to go to offshore detention.
As health workers, we should be allowed to speak out. If the nurses and the doctors up there feel strongly, we are here to support them to say no to the federal government.
We know that the conditions on Nauru are no place for children.
Mandatory detention and offshore processing is really bad for people's physical and mental health. They've got inadequate access to safe water, inadequate access to safe and secure housing. We've all seen those terrible pictures that have come out. They've got inadequate access to perinatal health, just like baby Ash's family discovered. People are incredibly unsafe in these places. There's sexual assault, there's child sexual abuse, physical assault, and people are killed. There's terrible effects on people's mental health with increases in suicidal ideation all the way from little kids to adults.
Baby Asha, who I believe is in Brisbane, and medical staff there are not allowing her to be discharged because there is no safe place for her to be discharged to.
I was lucky enough to have absolutely fantastic care here from all the midwives and the nurses and doctors here. And I think every baby deserves that level of care. And it really upsets me actually that we've got women and babies who are being denied that level of care, and that just seems fundamentally unjust.
There's one person that can fix this, and we need to increase the pressure until he does. So we need to keep saying with very loud voices like you are this morning to let them stay.
We would all very much like Malcolm Turnbull to change his mind and to let them stay, and also to close the camps and welcome all refugees to Australia and not traumatise them further with the horrific conditions that are being forced upon them. Please let them stay.
Let them stay! Let them stay! Let them stay!